Hello. In this tutorial, we'll validate whether your Meta Ads tracking is working correctly. We'll test the entire conversion funnel, from product view to final purchase, using the Event Manager's testing tool. Start by opening the Datasets menu in your Event Manager. Select the desired pixel and click on the Test Events tab. Choose the Website option. Then, use the Clear Activity function in the top right corner to clear the history and ensure you'll only see newly triggered events. Enter your store URL in the indicated field and click Test Events. Your website will open in a new tab, so Meta can begin monitoring your actions in real time. Browse through the store and open a product page. Return to Event Manager and locate the ViewContent event. Expand the log to confirm that data such as content_name and value are being sent correctly. Click the Add to Cart button. In the Event Manager log, you should now see the Add to Cart event appear. Verify that it captures the exact item added to the cart. Proceed to checkout by clicking Proceed to Checkout. Back in the monitoring panel, confirm that the InitiateCheckout event has been triggered. This step is essential to validate the beginning of the payment process. Select a payment method on the checkout page. You should now see the AddPaymentInfo event appear in the list, indicating that the pixel successfully detected the user's payment selection. Complete the order by clicking Place Order. Once the thank you page loads, verify that the purchase event appears at the top of the list. Make sure the total purchase value and currency have been recorded accurately. With all events showing as processed and the values properly validated, your data layer is fully set up to power your conversion campaigns. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.